Hi guys, John Fox from Global Magic Shop here with another quick review. If you're new to the channel, as usual, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for when we actually upload a new video. You're going to get notified straight away. Without further ado, today's review is by Bolted by Jared Manley. Let's cut to the trailer right now.
The problem that every magician struggles with is if the object is signed, then the location can't be impossible. But if the location is truly impossible, then the object can't be signed. Now we have found the solution with Bolted. Bolted allows you to take a randomly signed card, make it disappear, and with no hesitation, pull out a locked case with that very same signed card inside. I actually need you to autograph the card.
Okay.
So there you go, and then put your, oh actually before you autograph, I was going to show you this, but I'll show it to you now.
Okay.
I performed for actors and celebrities, and I did magic to this actor. You're not going to believe who it was, but what was crazier is what card they signed. I was going to show you this at the end, but I'll show it to you now. Look, it was Jack Nicholson, and he actually signed the Joker, so it's the Joker signing the Joker.
Oh, that's so cool.
Right? Can you just sign the card? And then we'll get back to this later. And is that dry? Perfect. Good. Okay, beautiful. So Natalie, check this out. I'm actually gonna need your hand. So can you hold your hand like this? And then that hand's gonna go right on top.
Okay.
We're gonna trap the card. Yeah, you can trap it. Can you go like this? You can feel it, right? We can see it.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna try to make the card completely vanish. You're not gonna see a thing, you're not gonna feel anything.
Okay.
Okay, check it out, look. All I do is I snap my fingers like this. Nothing. Okay, maybe I need to have something on my own. Maybe if I put a little pressure on myself, it might work a little better. So what I'll do is I'll bat the Jack Nicholson card.
Let's go.
All right, it's like really stuck there. Okay, there we go. All right, I already told you you get to keep this if I can't do this, right?
Okay.
This is what's on the line for me. Let's try this. No, it's still there. Wait, one second. You know what? I'm gonna do one better. It's done. I know you don't believe me because you still see it, but take a look.
What?
Did I come near your hands?
No.
Did I come near here? Open it up.
What?
Bolted in between two pieces of glass, your signed card. So now, this is for me, and you get to keep Jack's card.
Woo!
There is no forcing, no duplicates. This is the perfect way to finish any signed card routine. And the best part, you can immediately hand it out, so there's no doubt their signed card is inside. Bolted contains multiple routines geared towards every skill level. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna put your card somewhere in the middle, okay? And I'll give the card to you because the cards don't matter. In fact, the box doesn't even matter. What matters the most is what I put inside the box. Right there is a card, not just any card, the 3 of diamonds.
No way.
Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned professional, perform the routine that works best for you. Bolted is not limited to just playing cards. Use it with business cards to make a lasting impression or to tightly seal your prediction. Shatter the limits of reality and leave your spectators with an impossible miracle that they can't explain.
How did you do that?
Oh, I did it very well. Thank you so much. This is Bolted.
So guys, that was the trailer for Bolted by Jared Manley and Murphy's Magic. So a little bit of background is Jared actually released this a long time ago, and I'm pretty sure Murphy's have basically purchased the rights. I may be wrong here, but they're definitely producing this for Jared right now, and they've done a great job. So this is what you get, is the box, which is pretty funky. I think it's probably a little bit over the top for what you actually get in there, which I'll show you. And you open the lid and you get the online instructions with the link. There's something else in there, but then this is the main gimmick inside here. And this is it. This is the bolted unit. It's great. I like card to impossible location plots, and I've played with many over the years. Two of them are fully loaded by Mark Mason, and the Ultimate Remaxed Isolation by Kieran Johnson. They are very, very good. However, with those two tricks that I've mentioned, there comes a bit of prep work, and so I don't mind doing prep work, but some people don't want that prep work. With this, there's no prep work. What you see is what you get. It's very, very clear and understanding to a spectator what's going on. There's about an hour and 40 minutes, an hour and 45 minutes, something like that, of online instruction. They go in depth in the teaching of this, and multiple handlings, from basic beginner, where you require no skill pretty much whatsoever, to being able to palm a card and things like that. One thing that you will notice when you get this is there may be a slight layer of grease. Now, I was like, what the heck is this when I first opened it? And that's why you should always watch the instructions, because in the instructions it explains that if you don't have that on, or you do have it on, what it's actually in aid of. And pretty much that's when you hand it to a spectator to prevent them from possibly accessing the unit. This is very, very cool. I like it. I like the routining. Now, there is one effect on there, which I think will be on the trailer, and that's where he uses a signature of Jack Nicholson, actually. And the signatures, their card that they sign transposes into the bolted unit, and what was in the bolted unit was Jack Nicholson's signature. Now they get to keep that signature, and you keep their signature. Now, this is the only problem that I actually have with this unit. It's been extremely well made and everything's top quality, but you can't give the spectator their signed card back. Now, if I was going to do any of the routines on there, and there's a lot, I probably would use like the Jack Nicholson routine, whereby you get to keep Jack's signature, and all this has gone over in the instructions, and it is thorough and it does put your mind at ease. But inevitably you can't undo the bolts like you would want to undo the bolts and hand it to them with the holes through a card. That is my only gripe. With all the other ones, with all the other card effects that I've done over the years, I can hand then their spectator's card back to them. They can say, my gosh, this ended up in this impossible location. It ended up in a sealed deck in a numeric spot, like it's just, or a block of ice. You can't do that with this. It's very strong, and it will get a great reaction. That's my only gripe, is you can't hand it to the spectator. If you can get over that, this is it. You're gonna get a really good reaction, guys. It is solid, and the method's good. It's just I'm probably not going to do it purely for that reason, that I can't hand their signature out. And as much as they go over it on the instruction video, and pretty much, yeah, somebody would want Jack Nicholson's signature over their own signature. They sign it. I've got no use for their signed card once they've signed it. So honestly, guys, there's nothing wrong with the actual mechanics of it. The way that it's made, it's been very well produced, and honestly, the instructions go above and beyond probably what they need to do, and they really have catered for all skill levels. There is very minimal reset in it. You don't have to carry things around. This is what you've got. It's easy. That's my only concern. But honestly, guys, if you can get over that and you know that that isn't going to be a problem for you, guys, this is a great solid trick, and I guarantee you will have great reactions. But for me personally, I'm just going to stick with some of the others that I know I can give them the card and it means something to them. That's my personal opinion. Guys, that's bolted. I'm Jonathan Fox from Global Magic Shop. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye for now.